Here we are to install the removable tray for the boot floor of the new Alfa Romeo Junior. The package comes complete with both the screw-on legs and the removable tray. The screw-on legs are very straightforward and should be gently attached to the removable tray. Let's now observe the installation process. We screw it in until we start to feel it get a little tight. Perfect. And now, we screw in the other one. We just turn it. When you're screwing it in, and it starts to firm up, that indicates it's securely in its position. Now, installing it is incredibly straightforward. It genuinely requires no complications at all. We simply need to open the boot. And now insert the tray at a slight angle at first, like this. And we slide it all the way in. And there you go, that's it. In this manner, the removable tray achieves perfect alignment, precisely to the millimeter, with the base of the boot floor in the new Alfa Romeo Junior. Of course, it features an integrated handle, as you can clearly see, allowing me to easily place my hand inside to lift it, access the interior storage compartment, and then simply close it back up. It's quite straightforward. This is our specially designed removable tray for the boot floor of the new Alfa Romeo Junior. You can find this product on our website, carbootplatform.com. Should you have any questions or concerns whatsoever, please don't hesitate to reach out to us and we'll respond to you as quickly as we can.